Valentine's Day doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all you need is something sweet, homemade, and made with love, like this Biscoff Cheesecake. For the cheesecake crust, I'm gonna be using 1 packet of Biscoff cookies and we're gonna crush them. I'm using my mini food processor, but you can also put them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. We transfer to our mixing bowl and then we add 1/3 cup of melted butter. Mix until well combined. I'm gonna be using this 9-inch springform pan. We spray it with some cooking spray, line it with parchment paper, and add a little more spray. Now we can add the mixture. Spread it out evenly, and for this part, I like using my measuring cup to press it down nice and tight, but you can also use the bottom of a glass. We're gonna bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we remove from the oven and set aside. For the cheesecake filling, here I have 22 ounces of cream cheese. We're gonna beat this until smooth and make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Next, we add 1/2 cup of sugar and mix well. Now we mix in 3/4 cups of sour cream, 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and continue mixing. After that, we add 2/3 cups of Biscoff Spread. Make sure you're using the creamy, not the crunchy spread. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We mix once more. Finally, we're gonna add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, and only mix until combined. Do not overmix. And remember, eggs have to be at room temperature. Once it looks like this, it's ready. Next, I'm gonna wrap the sides of my pan with some foil. We pour the filling over the crust and smooth it out. Then place it in a large dish and add hot water halfway up since we're baking it in a water bath. And we bake at 320 degrees for 1 hour. Then turn off the oven and let it sit inside for another hour without opening the door. This helps prevent cracking. Finally, remove it from the water bath, let it cool, and refrigerate overnight. It's the next day and this is how it looks. Now I like to top it off with some melted Biscoff spread, even it out, just like this, then add some crumbled cookies all around, and now it's ready to enjoy. I'm gonna cut myself a slice, and look at this, guys. It looks so creamy and delicious. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try this. It's the perfect dessert for Valentine's. You can make it for your loved one, your significant other. It's so delicious. It's creamy. It tastes a lot like the Biscoff cookies. They're actually one of my favorite cookies, and in a cheesecake, it's even better. And there you have it, delicious Biscoff cheesecake. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.